Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruising Classics here. Introducing a gorgeous 1970 Buick GS convertible. This has its numbers matching 455 cubic inch engine that was rebuilt a few years back, but it's still the numbers matching engine. Cold blowing AC on this one, power steering, power brakes, ram air hood. The last owner for the last 44 years, and meticulously maintained and cared for. You can tell by the engine compartment and just the rest of the car. It was repainted in its original Matador red color. The rest of the car was actually restored about 2003 to 2004, and since then only 500 or 600 miles have been put on this car. Has a newer top with the glass insert in the back. Beautiful condition. Outside straight as all get out. Beautiful in and out. This is an automatic transmission. Make sure you hang out at the end of this video. You can see some stills that I have of the interior, the trunk, the undercarriage as well, to get a little bit better idea of what's happening underneath and inside of things. Goodyear Eagle STs on all fours, along with the Buick Rallies on all fours as well. Those are drums in the rear and discs in the front. Beautiful white interior, front and back. It's just one of those cars. Make sure you go to our website at cruisingclassicsinc.com and check out all the detailed pictures that we have, and also this video, or give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out in any way that we can. Fill you in on all of our new inventory and get you from start to finish. Beautiful 1970 Buick GS convertible, numbers matching engine. Give us a call. We'll be glad to help out. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruising Classics.